Okay, simple, basic tire stems. Oh my goodness. This looks like a part of my cold air intake that I ordered. That's the heat shield. That is the filter. Nice, good size. This is my intake manifold, my cold air intake from JLT Performance. Here's the sticker. It is 50 state legal, including in California. And I'll install that after I get the wheels done in the morning. So let's get... There's the wheel. It's 18 by 8. Looks in good shape. Now it's time to check out the other 4 wheels. Rim number 2. Looks in pretty good shape. Wheel number 3. Good shape. Now wheel number 4. But there's one thing holding me back from getting these installed. My lug nuts and my locks haven't came in. They're supposed to have been shipped at the same time these are. Maybe they're shipped separate. Maybe they're going to come tomorrow. But one thing for sure, I can't install them now. So that's very disappointing. Oh well. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Until then, I'll see you.